Hello busy people, today I am going to share you an interesting thing that generally apps ask us to allow permissions to access your data, right? In digital world, personal or individual information and data is the weapon for hackers and spies. So we have heard that Indian government banned 59 apps which are owned and belong to Chinese. Here your information can be viewed by the app developers. So these apps are banned under IT Act Section 69A. Here we can see the most popular apps used by the Indians are TikTok, Share It, UZ Browser, Cam Scanner, Hello, etc. Government strictly decided to ban these apps due to some security and privacy issues to protect Indian digital users' data leaking to other countries. So guys, a strict warning to all that if you are using these apps which are officially banned by the Indian government, please stop using them and uninstall them. And one more important thing is strict actions can be taken by the Indian government if you are using these apps. So be safe friends. If you like this video, have a big thumbs up and share and subscribe to Shafi Technique.